Listening ears, eyes on me. Eyes on me. Listening ears on. Listening ears on. I want everybody to take the lid off their bottle, and you can add all of the pieces of your tablet. And then put your lid back on.
I bet we have to hurry.
And watch what happens.
Oh man, mine's starting. It's
starting
to rumble. Mine's making red bubbles.
You made a lava lamp.
Mine's making blue. Look at mine. Look. Purple. Yeah. Mine's making orange. A lava lamp. Mine's making green. Don't drink it. Mine's making green. Mine's making brown.
If everyone gets really quiet, put your ear up to your bottle and see what you can hear.
Lava lamp. Did we make a lava lamp?
I
can't hear anything. I can hear it. I think we made lava lamp.
Right against the glass.
You guys, at the bottom, it listens like a waterfall coming down very quietly.
Yeah.
It actually sounds like a lava lamp.
So do you want to talk about what's happening?
Yeah.
Does anybody notice? Do you have different layers in your bottle?
Yes.
Yes. I need 2 volunteers. How about
Do you want my sticks?
Sydney and Brayden?
I like this. We need lava lamp.
Sydney and Brayden, come over here. I want you to put your hands on your hips. Sydney is oil and Brayden is water. And look, they can't join hands. They can't come together. They just kind of bounce off of each other. Oil and water, they don't like each other. They don't like each other. They won't ever mix. So the oil and your water in your bottles will not mix. But when we add that's an Alka-Seltzer tablet. When we add that to the water, it makes little gas bubbles. And the gas bubbles go up and they bring some of the colored water with it. And then the water, when the bubble pops at the top, the water droplet goes back down. So that's what we're seeing. Now, our next experiment, I need one more volunteer. Rylan. Rylan is soap. Hello, soap. You guys keep your hands on your hips. So, oil and water, they don't like each other. But guess what? Soap likes oil and soap likes water. So, Rylan, put your arm through hers and put your arm through Brayden's and take them back to their desks.
This is so fun.
This is why we use soap when we wash our hands. Because soap, if you wash your hands with just water, it cannot get the oil off of your hands because the oil will stay. But soap has one end that will attach to the oil and one end that will attach to the water. So our next experiment, we're going to watch that happen. Okay? All right, we're going to set up for that right now.
I'm green.
Eyes on me.
Can you pass them out?
Eyes on me. What we are going to do, everyone is going to put 3 drops of each food coloring color in the middle of your milk. Make the dots so that they touch next to each other, but not right on top of each other. So put them right next to each other in the middle. So you're going to have to take turns with each color.
Okay.
How many drops of each color?
3 drops.
3 drops.
Yes.
It's okay. 3
If
drops.
you get a little more, it's absolutely fine.
3 drops.
In fact, it's better to have a little more than not enough.
Did you get 3?
It doesn't. You just have to pull it. Just pull it straight up.
There's sage, isn't that interesting? Those who color in sage.
Mrs. Leffler. Did you do 3 drops of one color?
It just snaps on.
3 drops of purple.
Snaps on. There you go.
Of each color. You're going to have 4 colors.
I did 4 actually.
That's okay, it's fine. It doesn't matter if you're a little bit off.
No, I'm done. I need to wait for 4 colors. Can we put 4 colors?
You want your drops? 4 colors, yes. Yes, you can add 4. It will be
Colors?
Okay.
When you are all done doing that step, mouth closed, hand up.
Can we use 4?
You can.
Yay. All done.
The next step, you are going to take a Q-tip. You are going to dip it in the Dawn detergent in the middle, the soap, the blue soap in the cup, and you're going to get a lot of soap on your Q-tip. Then you are going to take your Q-tip and touch it to the middle of your plate. Do not move your Q-tip around. Just put it right in the middle of your plate and watch what happens. Put it straight in.
The whole
Yours
thing?
gonna start. The whole
Right
thing.
now.
The whole thing. And keep it holding it in there, straight in there, and hold it.
Yeah.
And see what happens.
Cool.
Yeah, there's
what happens. Blue first. Anthony, keep it in there. Did you get some of that? You have to put yours in there.
Drop it right down and hold it right in there, Xander. Don't move it, okay? Look at that.
Yes, it will eventually. You might have blue fingers.
Eventually?
Don't move
By the time you're 30.
What are we going to do with that? There's Q-tip. Can we do it again without a Q-tip?
You can. What will happen though is it probably won't work for much longer
Cindy,
because the
Cindy.
soap has now run around and grabbed every oil molecule in the milk and every water molecule. And so you probably used up the fats that are in your milk.
Where should we put our old ones?
I'll go around the garbage can. We'll get with the garbage can. We are going to take turns in our group. There's 1 cup per group. That is a half cup. That's the measurement in it. We are going to take turns, go to the sink, and we're going to fill it up with some warm water. You're going to bring that warm water back, and you're going to add it to this bowl of powder.
Powder.
Powder. Powder. We are going to do a chemical reaction that is going to change glue into a bouncy ball.
an extra one.
So you may start, 1 person from each group, go up, get your water, come back.
We'll see if they take their someone else.
Once you have the cup all stirred up, 5. Once you have your cup all stirred up, you're going to use your spoon to scoop that glue mixture into your water bowl. So we're going to put that into the water bowl.
Now?
Yes.
Once it's all stirred up.
Once it's all stirred up. It's going to be hard. It's going to be goopy. So just kind of scoop it all in there. You have to use your fingers. You do. Use your fingers.
Oh,
So you're going to
goodness.
have a big block.
So something to do.
That is perfect. So use it. You're going to have to use your fingers a little bit to get it off into there. Good job, Juliet.
This is fine.
We are going to, once we get it into the water, count to 10.
Once you get it all.
Once you all get it all in the water, count to 10.
all of it?
If it's in there longer, all the better. But that's at least 10.
3, 4.
Does it matter if it's not in a clump? Some of them are kind of.
Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna clump it together under the water.
Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna roll them in balls.
Oh, okay.
Do you need to get it off?
Okay, the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to use Nolan's as an example. Once it's been in the water, you're going to use your fingers.
Yeah, go wash up.
And you're going
This
to
is very important.
squish it, Juliet. You're going to use your fingers and you're going to squish it under the water like this until it's not sticky anymore. We don't want it to be sticky anymore. So we're going to kind of squish it, push it together.
Yep. Use your fingers.
Almost like a Play-Doh under the water. So just squish it until it's not gluey anymore. It's like gum, isn't it? It'll get harder and harder as you squish it under the water. Good job. Yes, it does have bubbles. We're going to squish all those bubbles out. We're going to squish it until it gets a little bit hard.
My turn. I got a little stick.
Bouncy ball is hard. It doesn't look like a ball yet, right? So we're going to squish it in our hands to try to make a ball once it's hard. And then roll it. You're going to have to try to roll it into a ball.
Hard.
You don't want to touch it?
It will get harder and harder. It might take.
So now what you're going to do,
You just need to keep squishing.
you're going to want to touch it, you're going to squish it down there. If you touch
Oh, I can't.
Roll it, roll it, roll it. If your hands are wet, sometimes you need a paper towel. Hey, Rylan, do you have one? Let me see it. Does it bounce? Oh, there it goes.
This is mine. Look at all the people over there.
Yes. Say Sid.
Does yours bounce, Brayden?
Sid, me, honey.
Does yours bounce? Yeah.
Come away from the window.
Does it?
No, mine.
Maybe it needs to get drier. The drier it gets, the harder it'll get.
Can somebody help me? I can.
Brayden, when you help.
Did you bring a fan?
Does yours bounce, Juliet? Does yours bounce?
Little.
Yeah? Whoa.
Do you have a fan?
You know.
Bowls on the tables. We are not putting bowls on our heads. Okay. I need the water getter to go get 1 cup of water.
She said she was slime mixer.
You're gonna get slime mixer. Well, there's 2 slime mixers, and there's gonna be.
She's
You
not
want to mix the slime, or do you want to get the water? Okay. Get the water and you mix the slime. Into our bowl that has the powder borax in it. We're going to pour the water in this bowl.
Does the pourer do that?
The person who got the water will do that.
Rylan, you're going to need to go get another one of those.
You mix it with your feet.
Okay.
Because you only have a half a cup, and we need 1 cup. So
Good job,
a
Rylan.
half and a half makes a whole. Brayden, you need 1 more of those because you only have a half a cup. And a half makes a whole.
Okay, let's mix this up.
1 more.
Whoa.
Or even though you're not the slime mixer, I'm sure everybody will get a chance to feel the slime.
Yes, and everybody will get to take some of the slime home. We're going to break it into 4 pieces when it's made.
Okay?
Yes.
Right.
Don't
So you're gonna unscrew the whole top of it.
Take the whole top.
Everyone who cares, take out the whole top. You can unscrew the whole thing.
Are you saving these bottles?
You know what? No, because they're gonna empty the whole bottle. And that's what they're doing. Whole thing, whole thing until Not yet, no, no.
I got blue. What's your color? Green. I'm purple.
Eyes on me. In the garbage, but we won't worry about it yet. The next thing that we're going to do, the water pour is going to take the bowl of water and borax mixture. We're going to dump it into the glue. The slime mixers are going to put their hands in the bowl, and together you're going to mix it out.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
If you wait, are you a slime mixer? Take your bowl. Thanks.
When it is all slimy and it feels like it's slimy, you can take it out. It is done. It's not sticky anymore. The minute
We still need 9 minutes.
because it will continue to harden. It will continue to get hard.
No, it's not. It's hard. It smells weird.